Hello everyone, welcome to C&M Solutions. In this video, we are going to work out one question on inverse rate and mid rate. Let us take a question here. Calculate inverse rate and mid rate. Here the question is GBP per INR is equal to 1.1234 pounds per 1.5678 pounds. This is a two-way quotation where which bit rate and ask rate is given. So here we need to calculate inverse rate and mid rate. To calculate inverse rate, since it is given bit rate and ask rate, we have to calculate inverse bit rate and inverse ask rate. To calculate inverse bit rate, we can use the equation 1 divided by ask price. We can calculate inverse ask rates by using the formula 1 divided by bid price. From this formula itself, we can understand what is inverse rate, inverse bid or inverse ask. Means a reciprocal to a foreign exchange rate is called as inverse rate in a foreign exchange rate. It is a reciprocal rate. Means here it is given GBP per INR. Instead of that, we are calculating INR per GBP. That is called as inverse rate. So we move to the next one, that is mid rate. To calculate mid rate, we can use an equation that is called as ask price plus bid price divided by 2. For calculating mid rate, we can use the formula that is ask price plus bid price divided by 2. That means mid rate is a mean rate or average rate between this bid price and ask price. So we'll go for the solution part of this question. So here we can straight away we can calculate inverse bid rate and inverse ask rate. So that we must know which one is bid rate and which one is ask rate. Here the bid rate is 1.1234 and ask rate is 1.5678 pounds. So apply this value directly into the equation. So first we will calculate inverse bid rate. Inverse bid rate is equal to 1 by ask price. So ask price is equal to 1.5678 pounds. So apply that into the equation. That is equal to 1 divided by 1.5678 pounds. That is equal to 0.6378 rupees. INR 0.6378. Then we move to the next one, that is inverse ask rate. That is equation for formula is equal to 1 divided by bid price. That is inverse ask is equal to 1 divided by bid price. So bid price is 1.1234 pounds. Apply that value into the equation. Then we will get inverse ask, that is equal to 0.8901 rupees. Now we got inverse rate, both bid and ask for, for GBP INR. So inverse rate is INR per GBP. So we can write it as INR per GBP is equal to 0.6378 rupees per 0.8901 rupees. So this is the inverse rate. Then we move to the calculation of mid rate. Mid rate can be calculated by using the equation ask rate plus bid rate divided by 2. So ask price is given 1.5678, bid price is given 1.1234. Apply into the equation, that is 1.5678 pound plus 1.1234 pound divided by 2. So that is equal to 1.3456 pounds. So mid rate is equal to, means average is equal to 1.3456 pounds. So in this video we calculated inverse bid rate, inverse ask rate and mid rate. Hope all of you clear that how to calculate inverse bid, inverse ask and mid rate. So for working out more, you can use this question to calculate inverse rate and mid rate, and also you can calculate spread and spread percentage. So hope you understood all the topics, that is how to calculate inverse rate and mid rate from this video. Thank you for watching this video.